Let's eat, guys. We have scrambled egg. I put salt and pepper. Saute in the olive oil. And then we have sliced salami. It's a chicken with nuts. We have milk with avocado. Mas marami pa yung gatas ko kaysa avocado. Mas gusto ko yung ganyan na mas marami powdered milk. And then avocado. We have toasted bread with sliced cheese and cucumber on the side. Yummy! It's ready na, guys. Let's eat po. Healthy food muna tayo. So yummy! We have orange din po, panghimagas. And we have smoothie, avocado, banana, and milk. Thank you for watching.